Just to look at this. This amazing 3D website is created by Claude Code and that too under 20 minutes. And you can literally see its visuals. And in this video, we are going to learn how you can create the same website in under 20 minutes. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to come over to any code editor. Either you can use VS Code IDE or Anti-Gravity IDE or any other one. I will use Anti-Gravity IDE for this project, and you have to come over to here in extensions. Here you will find a Claude Code extension. It's right here. I have already downloaded it. You can download it by just searching it on extension Claude Code, and you will find it, and then you can just sync your account with your Claude account, and you are good to go. So now let I open my Claude. As you can see here is the small icon for my Claude. So let's open Claude and let's close it. Okay, and yeah, here is our Claude. So for building this site, I will give you some prompts. So here I have given you two prompts. One is the website prompt, one is the video prompt. Video prompt for the hero section, as with the animation that we are seeing in hero section is completed by a video. We have just split its frames into multiple images, so the video can be rendered in the website completely. But first we need our website prompt. So this is our website prompt of 24 pages long. So basically, what I did is I asked the AI to create a master prompt for the website that I have generated. So basically, it works like that. I go through and iterate the process, iterate the things over and over again until the result seems perfect in the whole website. And after that, I asked the AI to create a master prompt, and it created the master prompt, so you don't need to go again and again in the whole system and iterate it. You can just use it through the master prompt and you are good to go. So I just want to make it easy for you guys. So basically what we have to do is we will first select this whole prompt, control C, and just simply paste it in our Claude code and hit enter. And now Claude code will generate the whole website. Meanwhile, we will create a video, and I have set it on auto mode. But if you set it on ask before edits or edit automatically, you have to manually accept it again and again. So that's why I prefer bypass permissions or auto mode, but you can go with ask before edits or edit automatically too. So let's go to our document and let's copy the video prompt. So this is our video prompt copy, and now we will make it through Google Flow. So if you don't know about Google Flow is a product by Google. You can simply use it by this link. I will give you this link in description. So here we are in Google Flow. Here we have to first come over to a new project, and then here you will find yourself on this page, and here you can add your prompts. So I just copy paste the prompt, and here in the setting icon we have options to choose, like what image we are going for video. So what video generation aspect ratio we need 16 is to 9 as always. And first one generation, yes. And then we have multiple video model options like omni flash, vo3 light, vo3 fast, vo3 quality. But I will choose omni flash because it is the newest model, so I think its results are way more good than the previous. So just click on save and just go. And now in some minutes it will create our whole video too. Till then we can check it out that how much our site is completed in Claude Code. So let me go to Claude. No, not this. Yeah. Okay. So it have generated the whole website for us, and it even started it on dev server. So let's try it. Just control and click, and let's see how good it is. Okay, it is taking a bit time, but let's see. Okay, pretty identical. Let's see what mode it have. Okay, okay, yeah, it is almost pretty identical, but I like the old one. Okay, yeah, pretty identical as it is built on its prompt. Just we need to fix these font size. They are extremely big. So till then we are, and we have to connect it with the book. So let I will give it a prompt. Please make the hero section primary fonts a little smaller than current ones. Yeah, it is simple. And meanwhile, we can check that is our video is completed or not, or do we need some edits. So here is our video. So let me give it full screen. Yeah. Uh, no, this is full screen. Okay. Let me rewind it. I think it is amazing. Not bad. So I think it is good. Uh, so now I will download it. Just download it into your folder where you are saving this file. So I have made a folder in which folder I have made. I have to check. I think test one is my one. No, let me check which folder I have made. New folder. Yeah, I have created a new folder. Replace the name, and here now it will save. And now we will come over to plot code. Hopefully, yeah, it will generate. It will fix the system for us previous bug. But let's see how good. Oh, this is the previous one. Yeah, this is the current one. Yeah, now the font is I think absolutely correct. Yeah, font size is absolutely correct now. Okay, so we have two things left. One is to add video in the hero section. Second is to sync it with the Amazon page. As the book I was showing on the previous demo is from the Amazon, and it is synced with the Amazon page. So whenever anyone clicks on it, it will redirect on Amazon page. But right now it is not synced up. Even if I click on order on Amazon, okay, it is, yeah, it is redirecting to a wrong website, wrong book. My bad. So we have to fix it. But first let's fix our hero section. We have the video now. As you can see here we have video. We have to just use at the rate, and here we will find all the files in this directory. So I need video, so I will ask for video, and I will say. So I have given it the prompt. Please create a parallax hero section in the website by separating the frames of the video into 15 fps in JPG, and hit enter. and now it will do the rest of the work. Meanwhile, what we can do is, mm, what we can do is, so it is doing its work. Meanwhile, we will go to our previous demo site and let's grab this Amazon page link. So this is this Amazon page link, and now what we can do is, it is already working on our video file, but I don't want to waste any time, so I will create a new session, and again it is opened in same directory, so I can use it. Please sync the book with this book product, and and fetch its images and data and implement it on the website website to featured product and enter. So now it will create both work at parallel. So I guess it is finding some difficulty in getting the video file. Let's see. Till then it will sync the Amazon page too. So let's see. I will fast forward it now. Okay, so I think it is done from both of the prompt sites. So we can check it out in our browser that how is our website looking now. And now let's check. Okay, so the scroll is smooth. Okay, 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 nice. And we have our dinosaur look now. Let's see, is it pointing to correct or not? Yeah, it is pointing to correct. Again, we got success. And yeah, let's try it on order on Amazon. Is it still giving it? No. We have to just add a simple fix and we are good to go. And now what you can do is you can remove this Gemini watermark that is on here, because we didn't remove the watermark from our video. We have to remove this watermark from our video. What you can do is you can just write VO3 watermark remover and remove the watermark from the video, and then put it into Claude Code. Then it will give you the whole website without any watermark. And if you need then for your websites, then do book a call with us or contact us via email. And yeah, that is it for this video. If you find it valuable, then please give it a like and hit subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one.